is 9:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Central Cook, DuPage, Lake, Northern Cook, and Southern Cook, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east central, and northeast Illinois and northwest Indiana. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: the strongest winds with gusts up to 65 miles per hour are expected through noon. Thereafter, gusts up to 55 will continue through sunset. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Now here